Hello, sweet blooms. We're back with a brand new video. And trust me, you are not ready for this, okay? So you've seen Vaseline lying around the house, right? But what if I told you you've been using it wrong this entire time? Like, seriously. Today, I'm sharing 22 game-changing ways Vaseline can upgrade your beauty routine, your school life, your glow-up, everything. And hack number 22? It's honestly wild. I wish I knew it years ago. So hang on till the end, because that one might become your new daily must. Let's jump in. And I promise, number 22 is a total game changer. 1. Nail growth hack. Rub a small amount of Vaseline on your cuticles before bed. It locks in moisture, helps your nails grow faster, and makes them look way healthier. It's basically like giving your nails a mini spa night. 2. DIY lip scrub mix. Vaseline with sugar and gently exfoliate your lips. It gets rid of dead skin and leaves them super soft and smooth. Perfect before lipstick. 3. Mascara Substitute. Out of mascara, use Vaseline with a clean spoolie to coat your lashes. It gives them shine, a slight curl, and keeps them hydrated. Not dramatic, but super cute and natural. 4. Natural dewy highlighter. Blend a tiny bit of Vaseline with a little powder highlighter or shimmer eyeshadow and dab it on your cheekbones. It gives that lit from within glow. 5. Tame flyaways. Take a clean toothbrush, add a bit of Vaseline, and brush those annoying baby hairs back into place. Zero crunch, just sleek and shiny. 6. Brow setter. Forget brow gel. Use Vaseline and a spoolie to shape and hold your brows all day. It gives them a soft, glossy look that's so clean girl aesthetic. 7. Save dried cream products. If your cream blush or eyeshadow is dried out, mix in some Vaseline to bring it back to life. You just saved your fave product, queen. 8. Dark circle treatment. Combine a bit of Vaseline with almond oil and gently pat it under your eyes before bed. It hydrates the skin and helps reduce the look of dark circles over time. 9. Overnight hand repair. Lather your hands in Vaseline, put on some cotton gloves, and sleep. You'll wake up with buttery soft hands, like no joke. 10. Scalp hydration for dandruff massage. Vaseline into your scalp. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then shampoo it out. Helps reduce dryness and flakes so fast. 11. Make perfume last longer. Dab Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying perfume. It helps lock in the scent and makes it last way longer. 12. Gentle makeup remover. Vaseline melts away even waterproof mascara. Just massage it in, wipe gently, and you're done. Plus, your skin gets a moisture boost. 13. Natural nail shine. Rub Vaseline into your bare nails and buff with a soft cloth. It gives them a super pretty, healthy shine without polish. 14. DIY tinted lip balm. Mix Vaseline with a bit of lipstick to create your own tinted balm. It's moisturizing, glossy, and totally customizable. 15. Matte to gloss lip hack. Have a matte lipstick you want to glow up? Just apply a layer of Vaseline over it. Instant glossy finish. No extra product needed. 16. Tame split ends. Rub a teeny bit of Vaseline between your fingers and smooth over dry or split hair ends. It seals them temporarily and adds some shine. 17. No pain earrings. If new earrings irritate your ears, apply Vaseline on the post before inserting. It helps them slide in smoothly and reduces redness. 18. Unstick zippers. Stuck zipper? Apply a little Vaseline with a cotton swab to the teeth of the zipper and gently work it loose. Works every time. 19. Cracked heel treatment. Before bed, slather your heels with Vaseline and wear socks. By morning, they'll feel like you just had a salon PD. 20. Emergency shoe shine. Need shiny shoes last minute? Dab Vaseline on them and buff with a cloth. It brings out a clean shine instantly. 21st. Stuck ring. Saver ring won't come off? Rub Vaseline around your finger and twist gently. It'll slide off without any pulling or drama. And finally, number 22. This one is a total game changer. 22nd. Shaving hack for smooth skin. Before shaving, apply a thin layer of Vaseline. It protects your skin, helps the razor glide better, and prevents cuts and razor burn. Especially helpful when you're in a rush or using a cheap razor. Your legs will feel silky smooth afterward. And that's all 22 hacks, bestie. Like, seriously, how is this all possible from one little jar of jelly? Which of these are you trying tonight? Make sure to like, share with your bestie, and subscribe to nudebloom for more beauty hacks, aesthetic tips, and real girl talk. Until next time, stay glowing and keep blooming.